let's see how we can insert page number. Not just inserting a page number, but also to be specific on a particular page for us to start either from the first page or from any other page. So just stay till the end of this video and you are going to learn the simple trick on how we can do just that. All right, so let's begin. So now let's see how we can insert a page number in Microsoft Word. All right, first, what do we need to do? You can come straight to your insert. You click on your insert. After doing that, you come right here. You see page number, you click on it, and then we are going to be inserting a page number. You can either select the top of the page or bottom of the page. So I'll just go for the bottom and I'll select this. Good. Now, after selecting this, you see this. I've just inserted my page number. After you've inserted your page number, some of you might actually be having 0, and while some might actually be having 1, and it's going to start from the cover page. All right, so here's what we're going to do now. I'm just going to come to the page number, or if yours is beginning with 1 at the cover page, you come straight to your page number here. Then we click on format page number. Good. Start at 1, or you can even say start at 0, and then you click OK. Now, when you click on start at 0, it actually starts at 0. Now, when you click on start at 0, the cover page will now be 0, while the next one, which is the page 2, will now be 1. So as the rest of that as they continue. All right, so this is just how we can insert our page, and in our cover page will not actually be having a page number. But still on that, looking at this shouldn't be our first page because this is actually reference. Now this should be our first page. This right here should be our first page. But this one, we're actually seeing 1 on the reference. So now how can we now move this to start from page 3? Good. All right, so this is what we're going to do now. We are now going to undo all of this. All right, so after undoing all of that, we are now going to see how we can now start our page numbering from the 3rd page, which is this right here. All right, so first, what do we need to do? You come to page 2. This is it here, page 2. Then I'm going to be giving a section break here. How do you give this a section break? You come straight to your layout. You see break here. Then when you click on the break, you see section break or next page. This is it right here. So just click on this. All right, so this is our section break. Now we just made a section break here, and then when we move to the next page, we are going to find it right here. So how can we be sure there is actually a section break here? Come right straight to your home, and then you see this paragraph icon. Click on it. All right, so when you just scroll down, after clicking on this paragraph icon, as you scroll down, you find the page break right here, and then this is where it actually continues from. So that is say we've actually done a page break here. So now the page break can actually help us maybe starting, we're now having like 2 pages here, the first section of the page and the second section. Now this page break here is what is differentiating the first section and the second section of the page break. All right, so now this second section, we did the page break there so that when we start our numbering, it's actually going to be starting from this first section of the page break. All right, so how can we now start our numbering? You can come straight to the footer of this and double click. Good. All right, so if we should actually insert our page number now, it's going to still affect the one up here. So what do we need to do? We need to unlink. Look at this right here, same as previous. That means it's actually going to continue with the first and the second page, which is this first section right up here. Now this is what I mean. I'm just going to be inserting something here. I'll be typing something here, page. Now I will just type page. If I scroll up, you see it here. This is its page. So now what do I need to do? I need to unlink them. It's because they are linked together. So I need to unlink them. What do I need? How do I unlink? You come straight to the header and footer, which is this selected already. Then you come here, this link to previous, you click on it. Now it's no longer linked. So we can now insert our page numbering from here. All right, so bottom, and then I'll be selecting this. Good. Now this is it. It just started from 1, and then these ones are having nothing right here. So this is how we can actually do our page numbering from a particular or a specific page in Microsoft. Now, as I actually scroll through, you will see it. This is 2. If I go down, you see 3 and the rest of that. So I can just close this by clicking on this close header and footer. So this is just a simple trick on how we can actually be using the page numbering, maybe from a specific part of the page we want to start our numbering. This is just how we can do. Just I want you guys to follow me to the next video, which I'm going to be discussing about how you can actually format your text in Microsoft Word like a pro. Wow, how can we actually do that like a pro? All right, you're going to see that. Just tap on the next video you see in your screen there, and then I'll see you guys there.